They'll walk through debris. Good shoes are a must. Randy, 74 degrees at the airport. Are we getting warmer? It feels like we're going to.
We're going to make it almost to 80 this afternoon. So it's going to be warm. It's going to be windy. You'll notice a little humidity building here after the early morning warm front. And now as we take a look into the evening hours, especially after dark, our storm threat goes up. So let's take a look at what we're expecting here on this WLWT weather alert day. You can see storm threat starts around or after sunset, and that severe weather threat probably lasts through midnight or 1 a.m. After the severe threat fades, the excessive rainfall threat will stick around into Sunday, probably lunchtime Sunday, before we get a sustained time of dry weather. Impacts, of course, storm damage tonight from wind, the potential for tornadoes, and flooding concerns will linger through Sunday. That would be for flash flooding. River flooding could continue to be an issue into next week. So as far as rainfall totals, we could already have 3 or 4 inches of rainfall by Friday. And then by the time we get to Sunday afternoon, an average of 5 to 8 inches of rainfall. Some places could see up to 10 inches of rain. So let's get right to it on the Futurecast. You can see hour by hour what we're dealing with this afternoon. It's windy, it's very warm, and it's mostly dry. A lot of the storms we've seen pop up have been along the warm front, which is now to our north. Can't rule out a stray storm this afternoon, but I think it's really going to be after the sun goes down tonight that we'll have our best chance for that organized line of storms to roll in. So after 9 or 10 p.m., pushing some of the worst of the weather through about the midnight hour. And you can even see this particular Futurecast model trying to bow some of that, which could bring some very strong damaging winds on the leading edge of this moving through. So wind damage a possibility. Another night where a tornado warning is a possibility as well. We get into 2 and 3 a.m. The severe threat has moved on, but you can see the heavy rain is in place and likely will be with us through almost sunrise tomorrow morning. Getting into Thursday afternoon, we should get a break in the action, but then the rain picks right back up again Thursday night into Friday morning. Any one of these intense downpours on already saturated ground could trigger some flash flooding for our area. And you can see this is Friday morning, same scenario. Expect heavy rain and the possibility of dealing with flooding. So tracking the excessive rainfall corridor right here in through the Ohio Valley. Most of greater Cincinnati likely to average somewhere between 5 and 8 inches of rainfall from tonight through Sunday morning. Go a little bit further to the south, some of our communities south of the 71-75 split. Further down toward Louisville, 6 to 10 inches of rainfall. So all of that has to go somewhere. And excessive rainfall could lead to land flooding. Flash floods gets worse with each round because of the cumulative effect of all the heavy rain. River flooding, widespread road flooding, and some homes could take on water. As we go into the weekend, it would be the smaller rivers, the Little Miami, the Great Miami, the Licking, but then we get into next week and all of that eventually heads to the Ohio River. So Little Miami River flooding at Milford right now, it's at about 7 feet. It should jump 10 feet to minor flood stage. It'll rise 10 feet over the next 36 hours and we'll start to see some flooding on Carl Brown Way there in Loveland. As for the Ohio River, right now at about just shy of 32 feet, it will easily get into action stage on Friday. And then by Sunday right now at 50 feet, latest projections keep it just shy of minor flood stage. But of course, it's not just counting the rain here, but across the Ohio Valley. So we'll keep a close eye on the Ohio River into next week. Here's your 12-hour forecast. You can see City Cam kind of bobbling already in the gusty winds. We'll be to the upper 70s with windy conditions this afternoon. And then anytime after about 7 or 8 p.m. as the sun goes down, our threat for storms goes up. I think the core of this comes through between about 10 p.m. or midnight tonight. So here's your 7-day forecast. 78 degrees today with severe weather expected tonight. For tomorrow, we'll get heavy rain in the morning, then a bit of a lull. It'll pick back up again for us as we get into Thursday night. In fact, I think each overnight is our best chance for heavy rain. Once we get to Sunday, that heavy rain ends by noon. Most places 5 to 8 inches of rainfall. Temperatures on Sunday drop off into the 30s, and so it will be cooler with lingering Ohio River flooding impacts in through next week.
Randy, thank you. So make a plan. Just be ready for whatever.